Personal finance and money management are very important part of our life, but it's never been taught to us. It's never been part of our school college curriculum. That's why every day the millions of people in India, they end up making a lot of financial mistakes. They will fall into debt trap which will spoil their entire financial life. Hello friends, this is Vijay and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to discuss about 3 financial books you must read before you start your stock market investment journey, which will give you the best foundation for your investment journey, which will change and transform your investment life. So let's get started. The first book is Rich Dad and Poor Dad, which is written by Robert Kiyosaki, one of the best book for financial education. If you are still not read this book, I highly recommend you to read this book. This book mainly explains about two dad. One is rich dad and poor dad. Poor dad was a very intelligent, he was well educated, he believed in studying hard and getting a high paid job. In spite of that, he was not able to create wealth. He was not able to achieve the financial freedom. But with regards to rich dad, he was not well educated, he was not much intelligent, but he learned the art of investment. He understood the power of compounding. He invested his money. He learnt the financial education. Because of that, he was able to create wealth. Because of that, he was able to achieve the financial freedom. Along with that, this book explains the concept of asset and liability. Rich people, they will create an asset for them which will work 24 bar 7. Poor people, they will create a liability, they will fall into debt trap. For rich people, money will work for them 24 bar 7. Poor people, they will work for money. Rich people, they will invest into stocks, mutual fund, bonds, real estate, which will create them so huge wealth in the long term. Poor people, they will fall into debt trap, which will spoil their entire financial life. The second book is Intelligent Investor, which is written by Benjamin Graham in 1949. Still, it's one of the best book for long-term investment. In this book, it will mainly explains 4 points. The first one is risk versus return. So every year, lot of new investors, they enter the world of stock market. They will be having one expectation, they want to generate multi-bagger return. They ignore the part of risk. Because of that, they are not able to create wealth. The second one is it will differentiate difference between investors and speculators. Investors, they will invest for a long term in a quality stocks. Before investing into any stocks, they do thorough research, they do thorough analysis, then only they will invest, they will hold the stocks for long term. Speculators is nothing but they simply gamble the market. They will be having one expectation, price will go up with no time. The third one is margin of safety. What do you mean by margin of safety? Before buying any stocks, you should make sure that you are buying the stock when stock is trading below its realistic value. Then only you can create a huge wealth in the long term. If you buy the stock at higher valuation, it doesn't make any sense for you. That's the reason before buying any stocks, you should make sure that you are buying the stocks when stock is trading below its realistic value. The fourth one is asset allocation. Investors should be investing into the equity market along with that bond market. So during the bull run, investors has to reduce the equity allocation. They have to increase the bond allocation. In vice versa, during the falling market, investors has to increase the allocation in equity market. They have to reduce the allocation in bond market so that they can create a balanced portfolio, so that they can create a huge wealth in the long term. The third book is Psychology of Money. When it comes to investing into stock market, it is not only about buying the right stocks. Controlling our emotions, it will play a very important role. Fear and greed are the most important emotions which we need to control. During the bull run, we will become too greedy and we will start investing more. During the falling market, we will become too fearful, we will start selling our portfolio. Because of that, we are not able to create wealth. In this book, so it will explain how we need to control your emotions during the bull run and bear market. Along with that, in this book, it will explains how much money you are having is not important. How you deal with the money, how you behave with money is very, very important. Friends, if you summarize the point, the first one is rich dad and poor dad. The second one is intelligent investor. The third one is psychology of money. Friends, I hope you find this video useful. If you like this video, please to subscribe, please to share it with your community. Thank you so much.